Hello everyone, today I got a subscription box from the Magic Candle Company, a company that specializes in candles that smell like a certain theme park in Orlando, Florida. They also have one in Anaheim, California, and frankly all over the world. If you catch my drift, they have this box available for purchase. You can get it just 1 month, you can prepay a couple months, or just keep it going, stop it, whatever your choice is, and they will send you 4 different products they have on their site and one of these scents of their choosing. You get 4 of the same scent, 4 different products. You get a candle, a room spray, an air freshener for your car, and a wax melt. So a nice little deal there. You kind of get, it's kind of like a sampler pack, if you will. I opened mine up here today, and frankly, I think I got a good one here. I think it smells great. The moment I open up the box, you could smell it. Not sponsored, by the way. I did this on my own. Believe me, I ain't big enough to be sponsored. Alright, so let me show you what I've got here. I think if you're a fan of a certain park called Epcot, you may appreciate this one. Flying Over Orange Groves is the scent, of course, if you visit the Land Pavilion often, like I do. I love the Land Pavilion. There's a little ride there called Soarin', and at one point during the ride, you fly over some orange groves, and they pipe in, of course, that orangey smell, and here it is recreated in wax melt form and candle form right here. By the way, these candles got a nice little wood wick. I've never had a wood wick candle before, so that's going to be interesting how that goes. You get the air freshener for your car, which is going in the car here shortly after this video concludes, and a room spray, which I love. I love me a nice smelling room spray, and frankly, I think this is a good one. So I am a satisfied customer for month number 1. And who knows, maybe I'll do a live unboxing. If I choose to resubscribe, I think I will. So thank you very much to the Magic Candle Company for this nice little product. And if you are a large, a big Disney fanatic like yours truly, I think you will appreciate the products that they have there. And be sure to check them out. And thank you all for watching.